Wonder
what I should eat today. Well, there's the tomb of Mr. Greasy.
Another victim.
Hey, there's a nice place. Ow! Hey, what happened? Oh, jeez. What the hell? I must have tripped over this comic book. Let's see. Superman. Oh, it's my favorite. Oh, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll sit right here. Yeah. Oh.
Another victim. Wait,
That's pretty cool.
I better get in disguise.
Superman. Oh, it's Mr. Mixoplex. Oh, I love that bad guy. Little demon from the fifth dimension. Oh, yeah. Hey, Superman. No, watch out. He's up. Oh, jeez.
Let's see now.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Hey, pardon me. You got a quarter. I haven't eaten in days.
Oh, go away, would you?
I haven't.
Just go away, bum.
But man,
Jesus, go away. Wait. Here,
that's
just
a little closer, and I got him.
take this here.
Hey, what's this? Whatchamacallit? Oh, that's my my name.
Hey, the bum didn't want it after all. Oh well, I sure do. God, reading Superman sure makes me hungry. It's amazing how he makes Mr. Mixoplex go away by making him say his name. Wait.